Hi, welcome back. Today is my last opportunity to pack my suitcase before we go away to the cruise. We're staying in Portsmouth for 3 nights first, and then we're heading for the cruise for 5 nights. I have not packed, have no idea what I am packing, but I thought you might enjoy a little pack with me and see what I'm taking when I get there. I thought I'd start with shoes because I know what I'm taking. So we're not sure what the weather's going to be like. It could be hot, it could be cold, who knows. So we have to take like a variety of things. It's quite nice now, and we're going away in a week, and it's going to be very similar weather. So I think it might be fairly nice, but I'm going to pack some stuff for cold just in case. But I'm going to take my new Timberland sandals as my sandal shoe option. These will go with some dresses and also just jeans and shorts and things. So yeah, I'm going to take those, and I'm going to take my New Balance, what are these, 530s. Very comfy, would recommend. These are still quite new, but yeah, I'm going to take those. And then I've got, I think, one final shoe option. I just got these loafers from Boohoo. They're chunky ones. I thought they'd go quite nicely with some of my dresses for the evening, so yeah, these are my third option of shoe at the moment. Hopefully that's all I'll need. I know John has already done his packing and he doesn't use packing cubes. I like to, I haven't got organised into them yet, but I have a couple. So this one is swimwear, tights, like little shorts for under dresses, things like that. They're all fairly, I did get some from TikTok Shop. These ones are from TikTok Shop and they've got a pocket. So yeah, would recommend those. They're just to go under like dresses and things. I got some tights from Snag and then swimwear in there as well. So I'm not going to get all of that out. I'm going to pack a couple of pairs of jeans just in case. I've got one black pair that's in the wash, and then this pair, where are they from? Oh, George. They're just like a, kind of like a bleachy wash, I don't know, but they're very comfortable. And I thought if I take a light pair and a dark pair, then I've got options. There, medicine. We've got like paracetamol. John's got some, I don't know what they are, electrolyte tab things. We've got a thermometer in there. Hopefully that's everything we need there. And then this is shorts. This is shorts because I generally don't feel the cold too bad. So I've got a black pair, a greyish pair, some like fabric-y ones, like legging kind of material, and then a regular denim pair as well. Hopefully it's more short weather than it is jean, like full-length jean weather. That would be nice. I'm hoping we can wear some shorts rather than wearing jeans. That would be really cool. I've just packed my t-shirts. I've just packed like the regular ones I always wear, so I didn't think I'd show you. Now let me show you dresses. So I've got this denim dress, and it just goes above the knee. It's elasticated and a zip at the back. It's from Shein and I love it. It's so cute. I'm not 100% sure if I'm going to take this one, but it's like a button-down black tunicky style dress. It is nice. It's nothing special. So we'll see about that one. I've definitely got more dresses in the to take pile than I need. So maybe I'll take that one. Maybe I won't. Again, because we don't know what the weather's going to be like, I'm just packing a 3/4 zip jumper. This is an Old Faithful one. It's one of my favourites. It's so comfy. And this is from Boohoo. Oh, this is also from Boohoo. It's just the comfiest jumper. It doesn't look like much, and I know that, like, I don't know, it's oversized, it's comfy, it's just grey, but that would be for like throwing on if it's really cold, maybe like walking around Amsterdam or something. And then we were supposed to have a gold night, which has now turned into like an 80s theme night, so I bought a gold dress. You're gonna have to let me know if I can get away with this for an 80s night, but I think this is my only option for an 80s night at the moment. Other than that, it's gonna be like a black dress with big hair or something, but this is the gold sequin dress. I mean, it was going to be a lot even for gold night. It's heavy, it's kind of wrap at the front, it is a little bit low, so yeah, that's the problem. Maybe we can put a stitch in before we go, but and it's long sleeved. Yeah, let me know what you think, because I'm not in love with it, but, and it is a little big, But it is gold, and hopefully it is 80s enough for the 80s night. Okay, next is, it's just like a tank top on the top, and then at the bottom it's a different material. I can't tell you what the material is, but my plan for this one was for an evening, because it is quite plain, like there's not anything special, but I got these tights that Akata, you know, a coat of thorns and roses themed, so they've got stars all over them like the night coat, and I thought if I wore that dress with the stars tights and my new loafers, that I think that would be quite nice. So that's the plan for that one. That dress is definitely coming with me though, because it's so comfy and easy, and I think I can wear it, like if I needed to wear something a couple of times then I could. I did buy a different Scarlet night dress. It was all silky and satiny and it's very nice. But I wore this one on our last Virgin cruise, I'll show you in a sec. I really loved how it looked and it was so comfy and I really enjoyed wearing it, and I haven't worn it since, I don't think. So I'm gonna wear this one. It's obviously red for Scarlet night. The back of it is completely sheer up to like just under where your bra goes, so yeah, and then it kind of has some frills at the bottom and it's a really nice pattern. It's only from Shein, I think, but it's such nice quality, and it's got little cap sleeves as well. So yeah, I really loved wearing it, and I'm gonna wear it again because why not? I might take the other one just in case, but I am packing a lot, so I don't know. This is another black dress. It's a little longer than the last one, and it's got like big floaty sleeves. I'm gonna take this one because you can't go wrong with a black dress. I was going to take this dress. It is just a floaty black dress. I don't know if it's got pockets. It does not. It's just a floaty black dress. I think I might wear this one in Portsmouth, so I'm going to take this one to Portsmouth. Maybe I need a new Portsmouth pile. Right there. And then a third jumper I'm going to pack. Just this green quarter zip I got in Banff. I really love this one. It's lovely quality. Again, it doesn't have pockets. I don't know where I'm going to put my stuff, but yeah, I'm going to pack this one. And then the last dress, I haven't actually worn this one yet, but it is green. It is got a see-through band around the middle, floaty sleeves, wrap front. It's pretty much everything I love about a dress, and I really like wearing green. Whenever I wear green, somebody always says, oh, you really suit that colour, and it makes me feel good. So yeah, I'm gonna wear this one hopefully one of the evenings. But that is all of the, I didn't show you the t-shirts, but they're just t-shirts, trousers, shorts, swimwear, dresses, tights. That's all the clothing, and then I've just got to do makeup and jewellery, and I think I'm there. I'll come back when I've got those ready. I just realised I forgot to show you 3 dresses. I got this one from Shein. It's got like a tie at the front and it's all elasticated, and then it's got little cap sleeves that you can wear off the shoulder or on, and it makes like that square. And then it comes all the way down, but this one has got 2 slits, like one either side, and love it. So I bought it in another colour on TikTok shop, and it's exactly the same dress, even though I got it from 2 different places, except the TikTok shop one doesn't have a label, and it doesn't have, oh, it does have the ties in the front, but they don't do anything. And then this one only has 1 slit, I think. Yeah, 1 slit, but this is with blue, and then I got it in yellow, and then it was like, I'm pretty sure the blue one was £5. So I ordered it in a strappy version as well, with it's like more golden flowers, and this one has just the 1 slit as well. So because they're so similar, and I've got 3 of them, I think I'm going to wear one in Portsmouth because we're going out for dinner one night. So I think I'm going to wear one of the yellow ones, either this one or the original one in Portsmouth. But that is all my dresses. Bought these headbands. They look tiny now actually. I don't know if they're gonna hurt. Oh no, it might be okay. But they've got little clips on them, and basically you can like twist the front bit of your hair and then clip it into the headband. So I thought I would take those and see, because my hair is still a little bit short for my liking, but I think these might look cute if they work. So I'll take them and try those. And then I wanted to show you the jewellery I'm taking. So I've got this little travel jewellery box that my sister got me one year for Christmas. It might have been for my birthday. I wear this E necklace. I can't show you, but it's just a letter E for Emma. And then the only other necklace I'm taking is this Vivienne Westwood one here. It's quite loud, but I like how it goes with like black dresses and like simple outfits. Oh no, I'm taking this one too. But how it goes with simple outfits. I think this one was just in there. It's the Disney Castle. I don't wear that one too often anymore, but it is a really pretty necklace. But yeah, I'm packing the Vivienne Westwood one just because it goes nicely with plainer outfits. And then I have these earrings that I absolutely love. John got them for me for Christmas. They're Ralph Lauren. Oh, and I nearly lost them. I don't know how to show you. They're Ralph Lauren. They're like, they look like buttons. And they've got like the Ralph Lauren logo on the middle. I really love them. I feel so classy and special when I wear them. So yeah, I'm taking those. And then for my birthday in July, my dad got me these earrings from a jeweler's local to us. They're bumblebees. And I really love those. And then the other earrings, oh, I'm taking these ones from Boohoo Moon. They look like a flower when they're either side. I don't know if I'll wear those or not, but it's nice to have the option. And the only other earrings, too many earrings and not enough ears, but I'm going to take these Love Hearts from Pandora, because I like those too. And it's nice to have options. I'm taking these two Pandora rings. Sometimes I wear them as a stack, sometimes I don't wear them at all, but yeah, so one is just a ring, a circle ring with little blue stones in, and then the other one is it like a wishbone? Is that what it's called? So yeah, that's in there. And then the only other thing I've got in here is I've got 2 cleaning cloths and then 2 hair clips with like pearls on. This one and this one has got bigger pearls on. So yeah, that is in there. I think it just makes it easier to just chuck this in the case and not have to take all of the jewellery. Oh, another thing I always wear is our El Camino bracelet. Both me and John have got these El Camino bracelets, and they are beads that like say where you've travelled to. So this has got all of my different travel destinations on. We always have those ones on though. And then my makeup. In this bag is not only I'm going to take my Life's Too Short to Be Serious goofy makeup bag, and I will be able to close it, I reckon. But I've got these 2 clips just to keep my hair out of my face. And then I've been wearing these and really liking them. They're like the old school clips and I think they're really fun. So those. I've got some elastics, little clear elastics. I think I've got some more of those in there. And then I'm going to take this as my foundation, the Revolution IRL Filter Foundation. I've got it in F1. That might be a little bit pale, but we'll see. I've got this much concealer left, but maybe I'll pick some more concealer up, but it's the Maybelline Eraser one. That is my favourite concealer, so I'm going to take that. I'm trying not to take too much makeup with me because I never wear it when I'm on holiday, but I also love to have it with me. So I've got a white eyeliner for in the bottom, a brown eyeliner in case I want to do it on the top, and then a black liquid, like a pen one as well. I've hardly used this. I get really leaky eyes. I don't know if anybody else does. I've got 2 setting powders. This one by Collection is just a pressed powder, and then the Banana Dreams one by W7. This one sometimes makes me look a little bit yellow, so I don't know if I will use that one, but I'm definitely going to use that one. Running out of places to put things. This is the blush I'm not wearing it right now, but I'm currently using. But I might take one that is a little bit brighter as well. This one is really subtle, which is really nice. But I might take one that is a bit brighter as well for like the evenings and stuff. I'm taking 2 mascaras. So I'm going to take this one, which is the Maybelline Sky High in black. And then I'm also going to take the Maybelline Sky High in burgundy because I've been wearing this a lot and I really like it. But this one feels full because it's new, and this one feels maybe nearly empty. So I'm not sure if I am taking this one, but I've definitely taken a black mascara and this burgundy one. I've got a tiny little bit left of the Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray, so I'm going to take that with me. These are 2 hair products. I got these from B&M and they're like the Olaplex dupes. So I used the shampoo all up, and I can't remember whether I liked it or not, but I've got a hair mask that I thought I would take and use in Portsmouth maybe, and then this is just a styling serum I'm going to take with me as well, because why not? I've got some bobby pins. Let me know in the comments what you call those. I packed this blush as well. This one again is a Misty Rose, so it's a subtle one but it's more liquidy. A day cream with SPF, because you have to have your SPF. This is tinted too, so it's quite good. I've got this contour stick, a Lumi Glow lotion. I haven't tried this yet, so I thought I would take it with me. And then last but not least, eyebrows. The Lift & Tint. This comes in with a mascara wand, and they're my favourite types because it's easy to do. So yeah, that's my makeup and stuff. I think we're on to the packing now. Okay, I think that is me mostly done. I still need to put underwear and hair straighteners and a hairbrush in there, but other than that, I think I'm ready. I definitely have too many options for clothing, but it's tricky when you don't know what you want to wear and I don't know what the weather's going to be like. I've got some options just hung over the banister there for Portsmouth as well, which is nice. I've got to pack that little bag, but yeah, I hope you enjoyed this pack with me. If you've got any questions about where anything is from, obviously ask in the comments below. But thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to hit the subscribe, give us a thumbs up, hit the notification, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.